to my channel. It has been a few weeks, it's been some time. Yeah, so let's talk. I've had equipment issues and things were happening behind the scenes. It was the holidays. My niece graduated. I actually have video of that will be posting next time, of me doing her nails for her graduation from college. But there's just so much going on. I hurt myself. What hasn't been going on in my life? But anyways, we can play catch up here while I work. But I have some products that were sent to me from Born Pretty from their, let me make sure I say this right, because this is from their new collection and I want to make sure that I get the verbiage right. Okay, so what they sent me is their new collection. It's PRO TERRA, their 10 ml bottles, their Hema free, TPO free magnetic gel polishes. So one time for these bottles though, they are absolutely adorable. And just to give a reference, I pulled out one of the bottles from the cat eyes that they had sent me last time. Making a lot of noise over here. Okay, so like this one. Let's to the side. So this is the new bottle, and you can see it's got the color number, color on top, you know, to let you know that it's magnetic. The detail, I like the little sparklies on it. This is such a cute bottle. But this was the last bottle that I had gotten. So I really like the bottle upgrade. It's more aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, that's really cute. I really like these bottles. So what I'm going to do, I've already swatched these already. So I'm going to insert that clip so you guys can see the swatches. And then we will get into what I'm going to do. Okay, and also I have nails done. These are my birthday nails, and I got them done by my ladies, where I go to get my nails done when I don't want to do my nails, but I want them done. My birthday was actually January 1st, so I kind of wanted it to look like a like my birthstone. So yeah, I love her. She does such amazing work, and it's actually got like chrome and stuff on there, cat eye. But yes, but I broke one because I've been going to the gym. So what I have on here now, I'll insert the clip. I did like a little quick application to put the nail tip on, but I'll insert that real fast. Okay, so I've already, done the, under top coat, and I went ahead and tried to get it filed it's not the same shape. Obviously, it's full cover tip. This is acrylic. So I try to get it filed like as, close to the length as possible. But so I want to do something with this nail. But what I need to do first is kind of clean up a little bit around my cuticle area because I have not yet put a base coat on here. So I'm just going to do it by hand file. I don't really feel like pulling out my, I feel like pulling out my drill. So we're going to go ahead and, let me zoom out a little bit here. Too close to the table, maybe. I'm just going to go around my cuticle with this file, kind of rough it up a little bit. Well, I guess I should have my dust collector on if I got it on the table. Ooh, this lighting is... I'm in a different corner of my room, so let me see if I can change this lighting up a little bit. The light. All right, let's get this together. All right, luckily these nail tips fit me pretty well, so it's not much to do. Okay, but this is what we are working with, and I'm not trying to do the same design that I have on here because, yeah, I don't know if I have a thought process. But I think I want to use this burgundy one because it's the closest to the nails that I already have on. But at the same time, this color is absolutely gorgeous. This one is really pretty too. This is such a pretty green. What to do? Okay, let me put a base coat on here, and then we'll go from there. Let me buff this out. All right, I'm gonna apply because I did the jello obviously, and then other products. I'm gonna just put this base coat on the top, and then we're going to cure the lamp for 60 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. All right, base coat is on, but like I said, I had gotten quadricep tendonitis from running, and it was painful. But since I've been working out, I've actually lost 30 pounds. So yeah, your girl been putting in that work. Let's see, I'm trying to think. I think I want to use this one just because it kind of meshes with the nail, but because I didn't really have a design for this now, I just really wanted to use these polishes. Let's see how this looks. Oh, wow. That's a pretty, oh, it's very almost like spot on. And y'all know I'm painting with my non-dominant hand, so y'all bear with me here. Because your girl is not the best when she has to use her other hand. And I'm only doing this finger because the rest of them are still on and I don't want to take them off yet. But my nail tech, my lady I go to get my nails done, she's actually going to, my plan is to go to them to get my right hand done all the time, and then I'm just gonna film doing my other hand because I don't like doing both hands. But I want both hands done. Look at that color. That's like almost spot on. Ooh. All right, let's get. I'm gonna put my makeup. All right. Ooh, that color is. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. Let's take that away. We're gonna cure and then come back. Okay, so we've got this cured. So I'm gonna go in with, yes, and I have this pulled out. I think I was just gonna do like a solid color, but I can't just do that. It's not how I operate around here. But this color, oh, this color is so pretty. I hate painting with this hand. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Oh, sorry. We haven't even magnetized. Oh no! Hell, I'd be doing the most over here, and I'm only doing one finger. Like, what's happening? Okay. Close that up. Let's magnetize. Oh, goodness. That's just so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. That shift. This is going to be a perfect color for like Valentine's. Ooh. Okay, I might cure that. Okay, so I like all these colors so much, I'm just going to incorporate the rest of them onto the nail. So I've got them on my palette, and I'm just going to take my little dotting tool here. Let me get a napkin, and I'm just going to put some little dots on here. Kind of on the border of where my little doohickey is. Okay, I'm gonna use my magnet to magnetize those. Ooh. Oh, these colors are just gorgeous. Okay, let me cure that. Yeah, you know what? I don't even know what's happening here. Some dots and cat eye. But I love all the colors. They're so cute. All right, I'm going to top coat this and cure, and we will be back. All right, well, this is my one little nail that I did. How, you know what? I ain't mad at it. It's like a little Picasso painting. Art doesn't always have to make sense, right? Either way, These colors are absolutely gorgeous. Thank you again, Born Pretty, for sending me these. I love the bottles, and I love that you can see the color on the top and on the bottle. Like, these bottles they're very cute. I love the upgrade. So that is all that I have. Next video will be me doing a whole hand. Maybe not like an application, but at least a design on the whole hand. But yeah. So, and then I'll fill you all in again on what's been going on in my life. So this was a really quick, short video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, see you.